Everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a quick, easy mom makeup tutorial in real time. This is the makeup that I gravitate towards when I'm just running out the door. I have a doctor's appointment, I'm just going to the store really quick. I just feel like when I put makeup on, I feel a lot more confident. I feel like I'm putting my best foot forward, and plus I just feel like people treat you a lot differently when you look somewhat put together and not like you just rolled out of bed. So if you want to see my quick, easy mom makeup, then please keep watching. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Starting now.
I first like to prep my face with a moisturizer, so I'm going to be using the Ole Henriksen moisturizer. It smells really good, it's very refreshing, but I'd rather use this than just like lotion, and rub that into my hands. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of eye cream underneath my eyes, just to add some extra hydration underneath my eyes. And any excess I'll kind of just rub in. And then I do like to add a blurring primer, just because even if you don't wear foundation, adding a primer will just kind of smooth out your face depending on which primer you choose. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer. This is just a Wet n Wild stick. Hide those bags. And I like to put it on first when I'm doing my makeup really quick, because I can hide it if I don't blend it out that well. Next, I'm just going to, first let me blend that out. And then I'll apply my foundation. I was getting a little bit too ahead of myself. Alexa, how much time do I have left?
You have 3 minutes and 30 seconds left on your 5-minute timer.
Okay, and then I'm going to apply my foundation. And I'm using a Sigma brush. I go back and forth between a sponge and a brush. I like the way that sponges apply makeup, but it's just not that quick. It's just easier to pick up my brush and get out the door instead of getting up, wetting my beauty blender, and then applying my makeup. Just grabbing a brush is a lot easier. And just bring that down to my neck. So next I'm going to do my brows. I'm using the Maybelline Brow Drama. I like to use a powder when I'm just doing my makeup really quick, because powder is a little bit more forgiving. And I do feel like doing your brows just makes everything look more put together. I just feel like it really completes the look of effort but no effort. Uh-oh, Nathan just woke up, so I definitely need to hurry. And just blend that out. Alexa, how much time do I have left?
You have 1 minute and 40 seconds left on your 5-minute timer.
Alright, so for bronzer, I'm going to go in with Hoola Bronzer. I like to add some color back into my face, so that way my face doesn't look so flat. And then I don't wear any blush. I just go in with the highlighter, because right now, like with that, with the Milani foundation, it makes my skin look really glowy. So I just feel like this just adds to it. And that's the Amrezy highlighter. And then for mascara, I'm just going in with Colossal. I cannot go out the house without mascara. Mascara is totally necessary. Alexa, how much time do I have left?
You have 40 seconds left on your 5-minute timer.
Perfect. And then I just like to go in with a lip gloss. This needs to be blended out a little bit better. This is a lipstick, but to me it looks like a lip gloss. Oh. And this is the KKW Beauty and Kylie collab in the color Kimberly. Just a nice muted nude. And we're done. Alexa, stop. I am going to be doing more 5-minute makeup tutorials, so if you want to see those, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up so that way I know that you guys want to see more, and subscribe so that way you never miss a video. I'm going to be creating a whole playlist of 15 plus videos of 5-minute makeup tutorials. So I will see you guys in my next video.